okay, Akshara. Take out your... Okay, be good, okay? Don't get angry with anybody because you all know how to operate all the system, all that. You don't think you're very...
Ma'am, today I got in the computer, ma'am.
What
I was
happened,
able
Jemima?
I'm able to join in the computer now.
Okay. You were not able to join the computer class?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
said
Yes.
first I had this computer.
Okay.
And my aunt wanted it for a little while, so I gave it. And when she came, she gave it back. So
Very good.
yesterday wasn't allowed in the...
Okay, Jemima. Now we started recording the class. Jemima, we started recording. We recorded just now. We started 10:30. So you don't. If you want to tell anything after 11 o'clock, you can talk to me. Okay. Now, good morning to all. Hope you'd have gone through all the dictation words. Children, whenever I give dictation words, you have to learn the spellings. Now, before I could give presentation, let me ask Tridip to read the first five words I'll ask you to read. Tridip, just read the first 5 words. Turn on your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Pit-pat, raindrop, wave, middle, ocean.
Yes. Now, second one, I want Jane to read 6 to 10. I want Joanna Jane to read 6 to 10.
Ma'am, no, only I joined. I don't know. I didn't write everything.
You didn't write. Did you write 6 to 10?
No, now only I joined, ma'am.
No, ma. Yesterday's work.
Which yesterday's work?
Dictation works. Yesterday.
Okay, ma'am, let me find
Okay,
it.
just read English dictation words 6 to 10. Jane, others check your words. Okay, okay, Jane.
Is it this one, ma'am?
6 to 8, yeah. Just read.
I'll read in the 1 to 10 because I didn't learn fully.
Start.
P-I-T-P-A-T.
No, only the word. Don't tell the spelling. 6, number 6 you take. 1 to 5 through the bread. Number 6.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Powerful. What is the meaning of H-O-T-T-E-N?
Hotter. H-O-T-T-E-R. Hotter. Very hot. Okay.
C-L-O-U-D.
Cloud.
C-O-O-L. Coal.
No. Jane, wait. Sri Mukilan, just let me see because I don't have the words with me now. Sri Mukilan, read from 6 to 10. I will tell you, Jane. Okay. Read the word.
Raindrop. Wave.
Is it 1 minute, Sri Mukilan? 6, number 6.
Okay, ma'am. Powerful. Hotter. Cloud. Cool. Gliding. Floating. Thunder.
Only 6 to 10. I don't know what is wrong with these children. They don't know how to listen. Only 6 to 10. Now, Tridip, turn off your mic. Harish, read from 11 to 15.
Powerful. Hotter. Cloud. Kill. Gliding.
Okay, 1 minute. Jane, can you read from 11? 11 to 15. Loud.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try. I didn't actually learn that yet.
Read.
F-L-O-A.
No, Jane. No, reading means... Jane, read means you are not supposed to tell the spelling. Okay, now will Jemima, you read 11 to 15. Loud.
No, ma'am, I don't know that word, so I'm
Don't worry. Sri Mukilan, turn off your mic.
Very shafty. Ma'am, should I read 11 to 16?
Yeah, 11 to 16. Joanna, I will make you read in class.
Floating, thunder,
Yeah.
lightning,
Yeah.
shaking, heavy, fresh.
Very good. She stopped with 15. Now I want Pratika to read from 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Pratika.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fresh, dream, snow, exciting, adventure.
Okay. Now Jane, read from 1 to 5. 1 to 5.
Pit, patta, P-I-T, Pat.
Now, Jane, okay. Jane, you learned the spellings at home. I'll make you read in the next class. Okay. In special
Okay,
class
ma'am.
tomorrow we will learn all these words. Remind me, okay? Don't worry about
Okay, ma'am.
you don't know to read, you learn the spellings. Let's go to the presentation. Now, children, take a new page and write Roman number 2 meanings in bracket classwork. What do you mean by array? Please write Roman number 2 meanings. All of you take a new page. Ray, a line of light. Ray means a line of light. Sorry. R-A-Y. First you write Roman number 2. Write meanings. Everybody must write the heading. Leave one line. Leave a line. Whenever you write, you have to leave a line. Hope you'd have completed the heading.
Ma'am, Sachin ma'am, I completed, ma'am.
When I start recording, I don't want anybody to turn on your mic. I don't want. Those who are joining late, don't disturb the class. Sachin, what's your problem?
Ma'am, I finished writing, ma'am.
Now, no need to say you finish writing. Okay, you are not supposed to turn on your mic. Children, after writing Roman number 2 meanings, leave a line. Leave a line. Listen to me carefully. I don't want bad handwriting in your classwork note. Leave a line. Write number 1. We are going to learn. Harish, please settle soon, Harish. Don't be going on moving. Sit properly. Each one is dancing about over there. Number 1, ray. R-A-Y. Ray. You have to learn now itself. Ray. A line of light. Only write the first one. Check the spelling. Write the first one. Check the spelling. Ray. R-A-Y. Ray. Tridip, please sit up straight. Tridip, sit up straight. Did you write the first one? Oh, you are writing. Okay, write Tridip. Be comfortable. Okay, write. Ray. Line of light. Ashwant, show me your written work. First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, show me.
Ma'am.
Just, yeah, you have to touch both the lines and write. Pratika, have you written the first one?
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, write the first one. Ray, a line of light. Ray, a line of light. Turn off your mic, Ashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Now leave a line. Sona, where are you, Sona? Did you write the first one, Sona?
Ma'am, I didn't, ma'am.
Take a new page and start. Okay. Now, number 2. Thunder. 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 A loud, rumbling sound causing eagerness. That sound comes, all will get scared, eager to know what it is. Thunder, a loud, rumbling sound causing eagerness. Loud spelling. Sona, did you start the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just read. What do you mean by thunder? Please tell me the meaning of thunder. Yes? Thunder. Read, Sona, from the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Read. A loud.
A loud sound caused by
No.
causing
No. A loud rumbling sound causing eagerness. You have to read the words correctly. Rumbling. R-U-M-B-L-I. Pratika, somebody is sleeping there. See, when you come to class, I know, but they can take rest somewhere else, ma'am, please. Sorry. Okay. A loud, rumbling sound causing eagerness. Sona, turn your mic. Effie, read that word. Pratika, don't worry. Let them take rest anywhere, but not in your class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Effie, can you read that word thunder?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
A loud rumbling sound causing
Eagerness. Rumbling. When I say that word, you just tell 2-3 times in your mind. Rumbling. R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Rumbling. Okay. R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Rumbling. Sound, you know the spelling of sound, you know the spelling of loud. Sound, causing, C-A-U-S-I-N-G, causing, C-A-U-S-I-N-G, causing. Eagerness, you're eager to know about something. When someone brings you something, And if you see a gift pack in your parents' hands or in your aunt's hands, you're eager to know what it is. Okay, that only is eagerness to know about something. Thunder, all must read in your mind. A loud, rumbling sound causing eagerness. Let's go to the next one. Exciting. Pratika, read that word. 1 minute, let me see, children. Yeah, exciting.
Ma'am?
Yes. 1 minute. Actually, children, 1 minute, children, 1 second. Let me check once, okay? Actually, a rumbling sound is in 1 minute. Children. 1 minute, you just wait. Let me check. Thunder, rumbling sound is enough. Don't write causing eagerness because, 1 second, I will just go back. Don't write causing eagerness because that is coming for the second one, third one. Only write a loud rumbling sound. That's enough. Okay, a loud rumbling sound. Ma'am will erase it. By mistake, it has come. By mistake.
Ma'am, I
Don't do
completed.
anything, please. Don't write causing eagerness for the second one. Just erase. That is for the third one. Don't say anything. Ma'am will erase it now. Okay, don't say anything now. If you talk, everybody will talk. Just a second. Don't want this. Causing eagerness not needed. Just wait, children. Okay, I will do it right now. Actually, that is for the next one. Thunder is only a loud rumbling sound. Okay, children.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Now, 1 minute. What's wrong with you?
I can't see the presentation.
No, it's not. Okay, 1 minute. Wait, ma'am. I must do like how I do, otherwise I won't know. Okay. Now it will come. Yeah. Thank you. Now listen, children. Actually, causing eagerness is for the next one. Okay, it just went up. Did you erase that? Tridip, show me your notebook. Sona, show me your notebook. You should have asked me, children. Show me. What did you write for thunder? Tridip. Why children are not answering? What did you write for thunder?
Ma'am, I erased causing eagerness.
Yeah, that is for the next one. Okay. It went up there. Sona, show me your notebook, Sona. I cannot see Sona, girl. Move this left side. Okay. Now the next one, exciting. You are excited. You're excited. Exciting, that's the meaning I told you. You want to know. Eagerly you're waiting for something. When you see something, you want to know about it. Causing eagerness. Causing eagerness. Exciting, causing eagerness. Why we have to learn the spelling, meaning of exciting? Because the next one you have to see. Ritik, did you erase that causing eagerness for the previous one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is for the next one. Exciting. See, when your parents bring something for you, or anyone brings any gift for you, you're eager to know about it. Okay. Exciting, causing eagerness. Now, last one, adventure. You must have read about adventure stories. See, an exciting experience. Something different from what you see daily. That's Tridib. Don't do actions, Tridib, what you're doing in class. Sit quietly. See there. Don't do anything. Everything will be. See, I told you yesterday when I went through the recording, I could see you behaving this, that. And don't do it, Tridib. Everybody will be watching. Okay, be good. Adventure. 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 Tridib. If ma'am comes, ma'am will be scolding everybody. Please attend the class. You don't talk to anybody in your house now. See that you're sitting in your classroom. Okay, Sri Mukilan, please come back. Yes, he's closing the doors and not allowing anybody to enter. Very good. I don't need any parents sitting with them and disturbing them because they are not paying attention. Okay, good Mukilan, come and sit. Adventure, and exciting experience. An exciting experience. Now you know the meaning. Samantha, don't talk. Now you know the meaning of exciting. That means causing eagerness. So you must be very, very eager to know about the adventure. What type of story, what type of journey, adventure journey, all that. Okay, now I need Rida to read. Rida, please read the first one. Yes, Ray. Only the first one. Yeah.
Array a line of
Light.
light.
That's all. Excuse me, girl. Rida, I told you read only the first one. That's all over. Now second one, Ritik Pranav, read. Ritik, read the second one. Thunder. Yeah.
A loud rumbling sound.
A loud rumbling sound. Very good. Now, next one, Ashwant, read exciting.
Huh?
Exciting.
Okay.
Read. Exciting. All must read, children. Exciting. Read. She is not getting that word.
Ma'am, exciting.
Exciting. What is the meaning of exciting? Causing eagerness. Very good. Now the last one is for Kanira. Kanira, please read the last one. Adventure. Yeah.
An exciting experience.
Very good. An exciting experience. Now please close your notebook, everybody. Close. much disturbance in class. It was not like this before. Yes, close. Let's see what we are going to see next. Now, we are going to learn today, then we will write later, not now. Fill in the blanks with correct adverb. Fill in the blanks with correct adverb. Don't write. Don't write now. We are not going to write today because you all are very, very slow. You won't finish. Let's learn first. Inian, can you tell me the right word? Inian.
Ma'am.
Please read the first one. Don't write, children. This is not for written work. Manu walks.
Manu walks.
Adverb. What will you add to the given word? Slow. If you add ly, what will be the right word?
Slow.
Those who are disturbing me, I'm going to remove you. Some children are often talking to their parents. Inian, please turn up. Muhammad Faisal, stop playing. Stop. Principal ma'am is watching all this from the office room. Sona, can you tell me adding ly to the given words? Parents see that they don't turn on their mic unless I call them.
Slowly, ma'am.
Yes. What is it, Sona?
Slowly.
Read the full sentence with the correct answer.
Manu walks slowly.
Yes, Manu walks slowly. Very good. Now, next one is Jasiel. Jasiel. See again, who's that now?
Jasiel.
Kushagra, turn off your mic. Sona, turn off your mic. I think I want to ask ma'am to send a mail to all the parents. The children should not touch the mic unless I call them. Jasiel, read the second one with the correct adverb. The birds.
The birds fly.
Swiftly. Swift. That word is swift. Swiftly. Say.
Swiftly.
Yeah. Next one, Jake Bobby. Jake. Read the third one.
The stars twinkle brightly.
The stars twinkle brightly. These all are ly words, adverbs. Okay. Next one. Next one, Aratrika. Aratrika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you read the next sentence with the correct adverb?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Sniff falls gently.
Gently, I want the spelling of gently.
Yes, ma'am. Gently. Gently.
Very good. But a big clap for you, Aratrika. A leaf falls gently. Instead of putting E over there, remove E and put ly. A leaf falls gently. Now, Evelyn Zara, can you read the first and the second one from the screen? Manu. Evelyn Zara. Gatsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Read first and the second one.
Okay, ma'am. Manu walks slowly. The birds fly swiftly.
The stars.
The stars twinkle brightly.
Very
A
good.
leaf falls gently.
Yes, I asked her to read only two, but I wanted her to read all the four. Very good, children. Now, this is your homework. I will send it, okay? This is your homework. Write an adverb for these actions. You can just copy this in your classwork note now. Take a new page, write the heading. Write an adverb for these actions. Please write all the words. I just want you to do it. Don't worry about the time. Take a new page, copy the words. I will tell you what you have to do. Okay, just copy the words. After the question, write HW homework. Let me see how many of you will complete this when you come on Monday. Write the question. See, children, I will tell you how you are going to do it, okay? You just copy the question. And just watching everyone, you can sit and copy the question neatly, everybody, so that you no need to go back to the recording. 5 minutes enough for you to copy that. And I will tell you what you have to do. You have to write an adverb for all, one each. Those who are leaving the meeting, if you don't do this work on Monday, you will be punished, because I'm waiting for you to write the questions alone. Then I will explain to you what you have to do. See that? Write an adverb for these actions. Please write in bracket HW homework. Now sing, write, talk, whisper, laugh. Now I just want Cyrus to tell me, what did you understand? Can you tell an adverb for any of this, any one from these 5 words? Can you tell me one, an adverb? Cyrus?
Ma'am.
Only one. You tell me which word you are going to take from this.
Sing, ma'am, sing.
Okay, sing. What will be the adverb we can use for singing?
Singingly.
Not like that. See, sweetly. Understood? Sing sweetly. Then what will you write for write?
Write neatly.
Ah, see, now you understood. Write neatly. Now come on, let me ask. Now, Anston, can you tell me about talk? Talk? Okay. Effie, can you tell me? I'm not giving anyone marks now. I just want in random. So I'm just calling your name. Effie, can you tell me? Talk.
Talk loudly.
Let me see whether it's, good. Right. Now, Shaina, can you tell me about whisper? When you whisper,
Whisper quietly.
quietly or softly, you can say. Okay, softly, very soft voice. Nobody whisper, meaning itself soft. Nobody will speak loud. Talk loudly, softly. Don't make mistake. It's not singingly, rightly and all that. With these given words, you must tell another action word. Okay, adverb. Whisper softly. Talk loudly. Okay. Now the last one. I want, wait, who will be the Alan? Laugh. Laugh.
Ma'am,
Yes.
laugh slowly.
No, I don't think so. Laugh slowly must not tell. Now 1 minute. Wait, Alan, wait. John, Matthew, can you tell me, John? Sujin, laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Laugh. But laugh itself is different. Smile. When you smile, noise won't come. But laugh. Ha, ha, ha. Like that. What is it? Sujin?
Laugh softly.
No, soft is different. Happily you can laugh. You will make noise when you laugh. You can't be soft. Laugh means full of happiness. Happily, Happily. The word is Happy. Remove that Y and write ILY. Now, thank God I didn't give you homework. I thought you all must know, you all will be knowing about it. No, now you know what you have to write. Like this different, run, quickly, eat, slowly. These are the words you have to use. Okay, now children, don't worry, you can complete now. Ma'am will wait. Okay, turn off your mic. Laugh is that sound, big sound. Cyrus, did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You must not make mistake. Kushagra, what's wrong with you? Let everybody write. What happened?
Right, fourth number, ma'am.
What happened?
I want to write fill in the blank for fourth number, ma'am.
See, fill in the blanks. I didn't ask you to write. You complete this now. That's only to teach in class. Afterwards, I'll make you write. You write this one now. Did you write this? Kushagra. Yes, good, Kanira. Good. Come on, complete it.
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra, did you write this? What is on the screen?
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
all. That's all. Now, in between, when you're talking, it's breaking. I never asked you to write the other one, the previous one. Slide, only this one. The problem is you all are talking all the time, not listening to me in class. That means you will make mistake. Sona, did you write, Sona?
Ma'am, what?